And here I have two great musicians. She's the only female singer who has sung with Pupi Los Que Son Son. They have been touring, not only with Pupi but also with her. And he's the composer of A La Italiana. I don't know if you know. La primera vez que estuve en Roma. This is his song. Also, Nadie Puede Contra Eso, Gato por Liebre, Belleza Latina, from that you have heard from Habana de Primera, Los Hijos de la Noche from Manolito Simonet. So all these are his compositions.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
That you have, but there's a dialogue between the quinto, the drummer, and the dancer. Right? Listen the bass here. And don't think just on counting. To be part of the music, not just be outside and count, but be part of it. Try to listen to each instrument, not just throw stuff, but listen. Okay? As I said, it's not easy. It takes a time. Try to be part of the instruments that are improvising. If you get there, like you're just like,
yeah.
Yes?
We call it musicality.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This is what we're doing.